Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless, and finally their plan has changed. Before it was $40 a month, and that would get you unlimited talk, text, and data basically for the full month. Now, of course, I've done a lot of videos about Visible Wireless, guys. I've actually tried them for about 3 months, actually 2 months, I believe, well, maybe 3. And I could honestly tell you that, I wasn't a big fan of Visible Wireless. It's just their data speeds were way too slow. Ping time was sky high. I mean, it was like if you had some satellite internet or something like that. Basically, they use like servers or cloud servers or something like that, and that's what basically was happening, giving you so many issues. But supposedly they fixed this issue. Not entirely. There's still, I believe, a cloud. They're still using like cloud server, but you can get finally some high speeds and priority. It looks like it. Now, of course, there's 2 plans now. Remember, there was only one plan before, $40 a month. Of course, you could do the party pay, and that was $25 a month for everything unlimited, including hotspot, but that was capped at 5 megabits per second, which was still good. But remember, guys, the main issue still is that the ping times are high and priority. So of course you were way below, priority level. So if someone in your neighborhood has Verizon and they have a premium postpaid plan or even a prepaid plan, they would be above you. So now Visible Wireless is trying to do something about that to change it. So it says everything you need, nothing you don't. It says we cut costs, no corners, to bring you unlimited data, talk, text, and hotspot for $30 a month. So look at that, they dropped it $10, guys. Wow, that's pretty cool. So they're really trying to compete. So remember, it was 40, now they dropped it down to 30. It says all in for a few bucks more. Visible Plus. So this is a new plan. It's called Visible Plus. Gives you 5G ultra wideband and even more premium network experience and global reach. So for a couple of dollars more, it's saying, which we'll look at the price plans in a little bit. Visible Wireless will be giving you more, it looks like priority data, which is the main thing that we've been experiencing of not having, we've been experiencing issues with. So now it's kind of nice to experience having priority data, and we'll see all that stuff. So like I said, if you don't need all that stuff and you're fine with the current plan you have, which was 40, you can actually save $10 to get down to 30. But like I said, for the extra few bucks, guys, it's going to be definitely worth it. I'll tell you why. So let's scroll down. It says 2 plans, unlimited or unlimited, and then some. So here's the 2 big plans. So right here, it says Visible. What comes standard? So this is what comes standard, and we'll go over the 2 plans. It says unlimited, everything, no hidden fees. So it's pretty cool that it was right. It was $40, all unlimited. Like I said, for me, guys, I cannot use the internet, so it didn't even matter for me that I had unlimited data. Like I said, this totally depends area to area. I live in North Carolina, and a lot of people use Verizon, so that's why my priority was really low, guys. And like I said, I could not use the internet at all, so I could basically just make calls, and that was it with Visible. Sometimes I would get high speeds depending on priority and congestion. It says 99% of the U.S. population covered, so of course they're using Verizon's network. So Verizon does own Visible, and it's right under them, just kind of like AT&T owns Cricket and all that stuff. It says all the hotspot usage you can handle. So remember, this is standard with both plans. So all the hotspot you can handle, 24 access to human assistance. I believe most of it was via chat. It says we don't have stores. We can still offer you access to our care team via chat at any hour. So there's not a number you dial. It's just a chat, like if you're doing the instant chat. At a smart watch for just $5 a month. Now, this is one of the cool things that I do like about Visible. They give you watch support, which a lot of other prepaid carriers do not. So that's pretty cool. So let's look at their base standard. So it says Visible, all the basics, but far from basic. It says $30 a month, taxes and fees included. So flat $30, no taxes or fees. That is pretty cool, guys. All in $30. That's it. Unlimited talk, text, and data, 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. So remember, 5G nationwide, that's Verizon's best coverage in 5G. Not the best speeds, that's ultra wideband, but that's available only in certain areas. So it says 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. Visible is powered by Verizon, so they want to tell you that right away, that Verizon. So that means access to Verizon's award-winning 5G nationwide and 4G LTE network. Like I said, if you can get the speeds and you're not, dumped all the way to the bottom of the priority list. 5G nationwide available in 2,700 plus cities. 5G nationwide requires a 5G compatible device inside the 5G nationwide coverage area. So it says limited talk, text, and data. It says never worry about overages or hidden fees with all the minutes, messages, and megabytes you need. So remember, it's unlimited talk, text, and data. Limited calls and texting from US to Puerto Rico, the US Virgin Islands, Guam, and Saipan with 5G nationwide or 4G speeds. There you go. So it says when 5G nationwide or 4G network is experiencing heavy traffic, which is a lot of the times, your data may be temporarily slowed, and it definitely is. Like, I'm just warning you guys. Unlimited hotspot, this is pretty cool. So you do get unlimited hotspot, true unlimited hotspot. It is capped at 5 megabits per second. Limited to one device. When network experiences heavy traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed. Same thing. I say just check out. And now here's the extras: spam protection, unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. Now for $15 more a month, guys. So $15 more a month, you can get Visible Plus, which is our Rico recommended. Lots of extras for not much extra. So $45 all in, taxes and fees included. Here we go. So the network, unlimited talk, text, and data, 5G nationwide and 4G LTE, 5G ultra wideband if you're in an ultra wideband area. Premium network experience. So let's go ahead and see what that is. Here we go. Yep. So same thing. It covers the same thing. Blah, blah, blah. Here's a 5G ultra wideband. 5G ultra wideband is the fastest 5G network access we offer. Download apps, games, entire playlists, and TV series in seconds. Remember, you have to have a 5G ultra wideband compatible device, and you have to be in a 5G ultra wideband coverage area. This is the main thing we want to talk about right here. Premium network experience, guys. This is what you're paying $15 extra. Get 50 gigabytes of premium data every month on the 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. After 50 gigabytes, when the network experiences heavy traffic, your smartphone and hotspot data may be temporarily slowed. So it's still limited. It's just they're giving you 50 gigs of priority data. What that means is, you know, if it's really congested, you'll still encounter fast speeds. This is at least what they're saying. 5G ultra wideband data is always unlimited premium data. So this is really cool. If you do live in a 5G ultra wideband, then it's true unlimited. You can use as much as you want. But remember, priority data, which is the one where you want, so you can experience fast speeds, you only get 50 gigs of that. I really need to test that out, guys. I mean, I should probably test that out for you guys, see if it is. Like I said, I have a video of this, and it did not go well for Visible in my review. Unlimited hotspot, still, it's unlimited hotspot, you're still throttled. It says after 50 gigabytes, when the network experiences heavy traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed. So you still will get unlimited talk and text and data, but remember, you're getting 50 gigs of priority data. That when using your hotspot will go towards that 50 gig cap, so just be wary about that. Now you do get more extras here. So spam protection, unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada, unlimited talk, text, and data roaming in Mexico and Canada, which is pretty cool, guys. So if you go to Mexico or Canada, it says talk, text, and use unlimited data when traveling in Mexico and Canada, plus the US Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. Data speeds are reduced to 2G after 0.50, so 500 megabytes per day. Wow, that's pretty. Well, international calling from US to 30 plus countries. International texting from US to 20 plus countries. Wow. I just click that, just double check, but that is basically it, guys. It says no stores. We offer 2 simple plans, including what you need: unlimited data, talk, text, and hotspot. And then, of course, they do offer 5G. So this is 5G. Remember, 5G Plus does give you that ultra wideband. So this is all the areas that they offer ultra wideband. So in my area, I have to go to the main big cities. So here it is with the competitors. Unlimited starters, 75 with AT&T and 65 with T-Mobile. So this is all the stuff that includes versus all these guys. So they're really trying to say, hey, if you have AT&T or T-Mobile, you kind of suck because we're better. So, and of course, you can still do the group plans. But overall, guys, what do you think? I really need to test this out. I have a Visible phone. It's actually here, the Blade. What is this? yeah, so I can definitely put this on the plan and check it out and see what kind of speeds I'm getting. Geez, let me quiet this thing down. So pretty cool. I'll go ahead and let you know if I do try it out. What do you guys think? Please comment, rate, subscribe, and would you be using Visible Wireless? Are you currently using it, and are you experiencing any speed differences if you are trying the new 45 Visible Plus plan? So this is very enticing. It's time, guys. There's a lot of competition out there. A lot of carriers are doing everything. I'm seeing, Boost Mobile's gonna have to do something as well to bump up and take off that cap that they currently have with 35 megabytes or gigabytes, should I say, of unlimited data. So we'll have to see how that goes, and other carriers too. So shoutouts for Visible Wireless. Finally, they are getting better. They're trying, like I said, they are still using, I believe, a cloud kind of server or something like that to get it. So your ping is probably still going to be high. So if you're doing any kind of online gaming or anything like that, your pings could be high, which causes lag. So just be worried about that. But I do want to try it out. So please comment, rate, subscribe. A lot more videos coming your way. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to try this out for you guys. Thank you.